Good morning friends and welcome back to a new vlog. Today is Monday, no it is Tuesday, February 16th. And as you can see I am doing my makeup right now, so I'm just going to talk through it while I finish it off. For my eyeshadow I'm going to use the new ColourPop Nude Mood eyeshadow palette, which looks like this on the inside. It's a little bit dirty, but I'm going to use this shade as my transition shade. But yeah, today is my day off and I am heading over to the apartment in just a sec once I am done with doing my makeup, because I have a lot of stuff to do today. My boyfriend and I are also celebrating Valentine's Day today. We did a little something on Saturday, but Tuesdays we are both off and I am surprising him with some dinner, which I still have to pick up this afternoon. It is, by the way, 11 in the morning, but they started doing the flooring in my apartment, so the 3 rooms, which I talked about in my previous vlog, and it looks so beautiful. It is not done yet, but it looks so beautiful, so I cannot wait to show you guys once that is done. But I do still have to do a lot of finishing touches in the apartment, some painting, and then if all goes well we're also hanging up a cabinet in the bathroom, and I also have to go to the, what is it called in English? It's tort, where you just drop off all of your crap. Basically you do have to pay for it, so I made an appointment at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and then I have to be there and dispose of all of my garbage from the apartment, basically, because we have like the old flooring and stuff that I still need to throw away. So that is what I'm going to do this afternoon, and I might still have to go to the store. But yeah, today is going to be a packed day, so I'm really looking forward to spending the day with you and showing you guys again some updates of the apartment. But yeah, I'm going to finish off doing my makeup and I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, I'm currently in the car on my way to the apartment. And as you can see, or maybe not, I am in a different car. That is because my car is currently getting fixed, and I have a like spare car, I don't know how to call it, so I'm currently using this one, which is why it is a different one. And then as you can see in the back we have all of the things that I have to drop off. But yeah, I am going to go to the apartment now, do some work there, and then I'm going to drop all of this crap off basically, and maybe have some lunch in between. Okay guys, it is a while later. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I just got home from dropping everything off at the, is it container park? No. What is it called? I don't even know. But I just got back from doing that. My car is all empty now, and now I'm going to change into something that is a bit more decent, because I am wearing my like working in the apartment sweatpants. So yeah, I'm going to change into something else, and then I'm going to pick up the food that I ordered for tonight, and then I'm going to have a Valentine's Day dinner. Today was very hectic. I went to a couple of stores, picked up the wrong things, I was stressed, which is why I didn't vlog, but now I can just breathe. It is over for today, and I'm just going to have a relaxed and chilled afternoon and evening. So I'm going to end today's vlog here and pick it up another day, because maybe tomorrow or the day after, and then I'll show you guys some updates in the apartment. But today I am just not feeling it anymore, so I am just going to sign off for today. Good morning guys, so it is a few days later. Today is actually Friday, February 19th, and the last time I vlogged was Tuesday, I think. But I do feel a little bit better right now. I don't know why my face is so white, but yeah, I do feel a little bit better right now. It is currently what time is it? 9:15 in the morning, and I just got ready. I did my makeup, I washed my hair, and that is because I haven't been doing the best mentally lately, and I have a appointment at 10 o'clock to go and see a therapist for the first time. I decided that I really needed some help. I was really struggling with my mental health. I'll try and talk about it a little bit more when I get back, because now I really need to go. But I am hoping that this will help me a little bit, and that I will learn how to cope with certain things and how to deal with certain things. But yeah, that is what I'm going to do now. And then afterwards I want to film a makeup haul, or like beauty haul. And then I also want to go to the apartment and show you guys the updates. We went there yesterday night until 9 o'clock to finish up some painting, and they also installed the flooring, which is so exciting. It is so beautiful, and I am really happy with the choice that I made for the flooring. But I will show you guys that later today. But for now I have to go and get some help to get all of this in here fixed, I guess. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, so I just got home. It is now, I think, 11:15 in the morning, and I am about to make myself some tea. I'm actually going to boil the water right now. But as I mentioned, it was my first time going to see a therapist, so I didn't really know what to expect, but it was actually pretty decent. I just had to talk basically. So we planned 2 more sessions in March, but this was basically more like her getting to know me and the situation and what is going on better. So I was basically talking the whole time, and once in a while she asked, you know, how that made me feel, or just a few questions if she wanted to know something a little bit deeper. But it was not a bad experience at all, but it's just, it will take a while for her to get to know the whole situation and then actually help me and tell me what I need. But yeah, I'm happy I went. I'm looking forward to the other 2 sessions, and hopefully it will help me out a lot. My water is boiling. I'm going to make myself some tea, drink that, and chill for like an hour, I think, and then I'm going to film that beauty haul, have some lunch, and then I'll take you guys to the apartment. I think that is what I'm going to do. But yeah, again, if you're struggling with some mental health issues, definitely consider going to a therapist, and just talking about everything that is going on. I know sometimes this stuff can be a little bit of a taboo, but I don't think that is necessary. I think it is important to work on yourself and just realize when you need help and when you're not able to get out of something on your own, basically. So yeah, I would highly recommend, if you are hesitant, to just get some help and try out a therapist. Alright, I'm going to stop rambling now and drink my tea. Alright guys, so I just arrived in the apartment, and I'm going to show you guys all of the changes that we made. Just going to take off my coat first. So much better. My hair is driving me insane today. But before showing you guys the changes that we made, I'm actually going to insert some footage that I just shot over the last couple of weeks of work that we have been doing in the apartment. So let the montage begin. Alright, so starting off with the changes that we made in the kitchen. Alright, so the first thing that we changed in the kitchen since the last time that I updated you guys is we changed these right here. I don't know the right word for them in English. I don't even know the right word for them in Dutch, honestly. But they were kind of like a more yellowish color, like these. So as you can see, that is just ugly. So we changed those into a white color, especially since we painted the tiles. It was really obvious that these weren't white, and now they just blend in way more, if you ask me. So that is the first thing that we changed. Everything else I already showed you guys here. Hold on, my boyfriend is texting me. Alright, so then we have all of the mess here in the middle. But then, when you come over to the living room area, we finished building the couch. So all of the cushions are in. We also built this little, what is it even called? A side table? No, it's like the table that goes right here. It is from IKEA. It was really inexpensive. And even though it is quite plain, I'm just going to, you know, add some warmth by adding some rattan, some like wood and stuff like that. So it will look way better. But I think this was like 50 euros and I think it looks really cute. And then as you also saw, we got in this guy. So this is our TV like console table, I guess is the right word. This one is from Maison du Monde. It is a beautiful wood. It is actually from the same range as my nightstands, which if you guys have watched all of my vlogs, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, this is just a beautiful wooden TV console and I am very happy with it. It adds a lot of warmth to the room. And then eventually I also want to change up all of these in all of the rooms throughout the entire apartment. But that will be for another, I don't know, another month or so. And then moving on to the hallway. I can't remember if in the last vlog the hallway was already white, but in case it wasn't, it is now all white. And then moving on to the most exciting part of this update, and the one that is just the biggest change in my opinion, is that they finished installing the floor. So I decided to add in a laminate wood floor in the 3 bedrooms, and they finished it off last week, and I think it is so beautiful. So let me just show you guys what it looks like. Ta-da! So this is what it looks like. The camera honestly doesn't do it justice at all. This flooring is so beautiful and I am so happy with the end result. We still have a lot of like finishing touches that we have to do. We also have to add in some silicone right here. But yeah, the flooring is installed and I'm so happy with it. This makes a huge difference if you ask me. I'll try to insert a clip of what the floors used to look like, but believe me, this is a huge update. So yeah, this is the other room, also installed the flooring. And then this is actually going to be my dressing. So I'm going to build an IKEA PAX dressing on this wall, and then maybe also a small one on this wall, but this has to open up like this, so I don't have a lot of room here. And then this is actually the bedroom. Again, so happy with the end result of the floor. It looks more warmer on camera, I feel like, than in real life. Even though it is a warm floor, it just looks a lot warmer on camera, I think. Let me zoom in. There you go. I think this is looking a little bit better. But yeah, we still have to clean everything. I think this is a huge update. Alright, and then I have one more update to show you guys, and that is actually the bathroom. We did a lot of work in the bathroom. So again, I'll insert a clip of what it used to look like, and let me show you guys what it looks like now. Ta-da! So we painted the tiles white, which let me tell you guys was a lot of work. But yeah, they are now painted white. I added this is from IKEA. I also hung up the light in here. And then I also got a cabinet with a mirror, and this is also from IKEA. Again, we still have to clean everything. We also have to add those back, hang this up, and then just again clean everything out. But yeah, this cabinet again is from IKEA, and I'll be able to put all of my toiletries in here. So yeah, I think this is a huge improvement of what it used to look like. I would like to add like 2 floating wooden shelves above the toilet. I think that will look really pretty and add in a little bit more warmth, because now it is like all white. But yeah, so happy with this. Alright guys, and that is actually going to be it for today's vlog. I still have a couple of finishing touches that I have to do, but I'm just going to do that off camera and wrap up this video right here. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you thought of the updates that we made. I think these are huge improvements and we are getting so close to actually being able to move in. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.